Quran mentions this in terms of relativity of time also about this wormhole. Quran mentions in Surah Ma'arij in Surah number 70, ayat number 3-4, Allah talks about the punishment on the day of judgment. Allah says that Minallahi dhil Ma'arij, that from Allah who is Zil Ma'arij, Lord of the ways of ascent or the stairways that is in the heavens, the ways of ascent in the heavens or the stairways in the heavens. Allah says, Ta'arujul, next verse, Ta'arujul malaikatu warruhu ilayhi fi yawmin kana miqdaru khamsina alfa sana, that the angels and the spirit, they ascend unto him. They ascend unto him in a day, the measure of which is 50,000 years. Khamsina alfa sana, that is a day equivalent to 50,000 years. Here the relativity of time is mentioned, and here only that these stairways in the heavens through which the angels, the creatures of the beings of light are traveling, that is they are traveling through these stairways, they are ma'arij. Allah says ta'arujul malaikatu warruhu, they travel through these stairways which Einstein called as bridges in space time. So these ways through that is a day equivalent to 50,000 years in these ma'arij, that is these stairways. So this is mentioned in connection to the relativity of time. So about these wormholes, there is some this indication is there in the Quran. So we don't know the exact nature of the wormhole also, but we know that time slows when there is mass effect of massive gravity, time slows down, or if accelerating with a high speed, time slows down. So time is actually relative, and it is according to one's own reference. Each have different perception of time with its own reference. So in here the case of relativity of time is mentioned, and also these talked about these stairways in heavens through which the angels are traveling, and this concept of bridges was given first by Einstein, that is when he propounded his theory of general relativity.